Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can cut out parts of a video in Clipchamp, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a completely blank project open. I only have some imported media, which I will be using to edit. As you can see, I have a video here, and if I click the green plus, or just drag it into the timeline, it will be displayed here in the preview, and I can start editing it. To actually edit it, you can select it, and it'll be outlined green. Now, to actually remove parts of the video, whether in the beginning, you can drag these sort of bars from each side and they will eliminate any part of the video that you want. For example, if I drag it from however long it is, from a minute 59, I can drag it all the way to minute 48, and the last 11 seconds will be deleted. You can also restore them just by dragging them all the way back, and it won't go past it since there's no footage to add. Now, to actually eliminate parts of the video in the middle, all you need to do is drag this cursor to the beginning of the part you want to remove, and then you either click the scissors to split the video, or press S on your keyboard, and it has split into two segments. And now the second segment, the beginning of it, is the beginning of the part that you want to cut out. And let's say this is at 34 seconds. Let's say I want to delete from 34 to 45. I just drag this all the way to 45, and as you can see, if I click S again, now this part that I want to remove has been completely separated. Now all you got to do is select it and either press the trash can or click delete on your keyboard, and you can either press this garbage can or you can drag them together, and now you have the video with that part cut out. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.